We all know that you can do copy and paste, and that takes your text or images or whatever you have selected. But have you ever tried using the paint format in Google Docs? Let me show you. So first off, what does paint format do? Well, as you can kind of guess from the title, it basically is a copy for the formatting. So first thing I need to do is I need to apply my formatting. So what do I want? I want it to be normal text. I want it to be a different font. So let's choose something that looks very different. There we go. I'm going to make it much bigger. If you're wondering why I don't just make it a heading, it's because I specifically want to show you this option. That's the only reason. So let's make it bold. Let's change the color. Let's choose a nice red. So you can see it's a very different look. A little bit dark, but it's very different. And yes, I could scroll down, find my next heading, and I could just apply the formatting again. However, I don't want to do that. Actually, what I want to do is I want to click where my formatting is. I click paint format. And then you can see, if I scroll up here, you can see it actually attached to my mouse cursor is the little roller, and that's telling me that it's going to copy my formatting. Now all I need to do is I highlight the text that I want to apply it to, and it's there. You'll notice additionally, not only has it applied it, but my little roller has now disappeared. Let me select it again, but this time what I'm going to do is not do a single click, but do a double click. Yeah, so there we go, that's all in. And what I can now do is I can highlight, and you'll notice this time, because I did a double click, the paint roller is still attached to my mouse cursor, which means that I can do it again and again however I need to. When I'm done, I could press escape, or I can just click on the paint the paint format, and you can see it switches it off. Really useful tool, just on those odd times that you need to have the same formatting, but you haven't automatically set it up as a style that you can reuse. Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm a tech trainer, and I'm sharing tips and tricks to save you time and frustration with using your computer software. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell to be notified when I've got new videos available.